3, 2, 1.
Which river forms a large part of the India-Bangladesh border? The answer is A. Ganges. Who is the main character in The Catcher in the Rye? The answer is A. Holden Caulfield. What property allows cut logs to float on water? The answer is B. Density. An organism is a source of what kind of matter? The answer is A. Biotic. Gas particles can move randomly in what directions? The answer is B. All directions. Which website allows you to do no evil? The answer is A. Google. Dinosaurs lived during which geologic era? The answer is D. Mesozoic. What fruit can be idle, yet wise? The answer is C. Pomegranate. What is the process by which animals get their food? The answer is C. Digestion. What forms when an atom gains electrons? The answer is B. Anions. What is it that you throw away, but can still be of no use? The answer is A. Trash. What is the smallest particle that retains an electric charge? The answer is C. Electron. What is the sweet, sticky syrup made from sugar cane or maple trees called? The answer is A. Molasses. Complete the words which Napoleon Dynamite from the self-titled movie addresses to his older brother Kip. Well, will you do me a favor then? Can you bring me my? The answer is C. Chapstick. Which is the largest commercial airplane by length? The answer is D. Antonov An-225. Which country hosted the Winter Olympics in 2018? The answer is D. South Korea. The title of the 2004 movie Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind was taken from the poem Eloisa to Abelard written by which English poet? The answer is A. Alexander Pope. What was the nickname of Theo's friend Walter Bradley on the hit television show The Cosby Show? The answer is D. Cockroach. Spinal cord injuries are notoriously difficult to treat because spinal nerves do not do what? The answer is B. Regenerate. Which theory in psychology posits that individuals have an inherent drive to grow and fulfill their potential? The answer is C. Humanistic psychology. According to cell classification, prokaryotic cells are separated from eukaryotic cells. Which feature is often used to distinguish prokaryotic cells from eukaryotic cells? The answer is B. Size differences. What are two ways cnidarians are able to reproduce? The answer is A. Asexually and sexually. Actress Susan Buckner portrayed which character from the 1978 movie Grease? The answer is D. Patty. What type of force exists between two touching surfaces? The answer is B. Friction. What is Immanuel Kant's major work called? The answer is A. Critique of Pure Reason. What scientific word, which gives its name to a type of rock, means to change form? The answer is A. Metamorphism. What year did the Titanic sink? The answer is C. 1915. Which book contains the character Judge Holden? The answer is D. Blood Meridian. Which kitchen item has a long, flat, thin handle used for stirring and serving? The answer is C. Whisk. Which fruit is also known as champion orange? The answer is A. Grapefruit. Which company introduced the graphical user interface GUI? The answer is B. Microsoft. What is it that's always in front of you but can't be seen? The answer is B. Mirror. Which fashion brand introduced the denim jeans? The answer is A. Levi's. Which is a type of capacitor? The answer is C. Electrolytic capacitor. Seasonal changes are made in response to changes in what? The answer is D. Locales. Which country has the largest number of vetoes in the United Nations Security Council? The answer is C. Russia. The Black Sea is almost a lake. How is it connected to other sea waters? The answer is D. By Bosphorus Strait. A monumental mass extinction event occurred at the end of the Permian period. Approximately what % of all life died out during this event? The answer is C. 90%. Which scientist claimed that Earth was the center of the universe? The answer is A. Aristotle. Which game features the character Aloy in a post-apocalyptic world? The answer is A. Horizon Zero Dawn. What is the study of matter and energy called?
The answer is B. Biology.
The atom often, but not always, turns into a different what during the decay process? The answer is D. Element. What is the name of the highest mountain in Europe? The answer is B. Mount Elbrus. When was the first NBA championship game played? The answer is A. 1947. Which item is typically used to sharpen pencils? The answer is D. Pencil sharpener. Which U.S. president granted a pardon to all former Confederate soldiers? The answer is D. Andrew Johnson. Which fruit is used to make ketchup? The answer is C. Tomato. What equipment is used for field hockey? The answer is A. Stick. What is the name of the capital and largest city of the Republic of Cuba? The answer is B. Havana. Which subspecies of ostrich became extinct around 1966?